Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change individual app language on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. To change language in our application, we have to go to the settings option. Then we have to scroll down until we see general management option here. We need to go here. And here we have app languages. We can choose the language you want to use for each app. For example, let's say we want our Gmail to be in different language than it's in by default. Let's say we want to have English Canada. Now we can see here it's changed. Let's go back to our system default. And that was basically it. Now our application will be in a different language than all other our applications and phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.